See, like, this is the stuff I gotta be recording whenever we're not trying to record nothing. You know what we should get too? Thick on chrome hubcaps from AutoZone. From AutoZone. Just imagine.
You know what's money I'm gonna have to spend? Everybody please like, share, follow, comment, everything and more.
All the above.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G.
We gotta have the subs. Gotta have the likes.
Also, if anybody wants to sponsor this,
yes,
we will gladly shout you out.
We'll gladly let anybody sponsor us because currently all the builds on the channel have been sponsored by me, and he's sponsoring this one. So get it up to this guy. In today's video, we're going to be focusing mainly on the interior, and I think we've decided to go with the green color. I can't do it, dude. You got to really like it. Go ahead, I'm going to set this camera up and
We just roll with it.
we'll just roll with it. That's a good check.
Like to one side, that way when subframe. That big dent,
Yep.
that's subframe.
Hey, it's mint.
It'll pass inspection, I hope. No rust on the front bumper, a little polish.
It's in good shape too.
A little Renegade red. There's some
Compound.
Renegade red, or that Renegade Q90, and I think an orange, or not orange, but a yellow 9-inch pad, and then one of them 18 ply flannel pads for finishing.
Yeah.
I think I can bring it out.
This truck build is going to be one for the books. That's for sure.
Oh, it's gonna be interesting.
All right, what do you want to do next?
What do you want to do with the trash? Go back? Yeah, you got a whole row of bags and just want to Everybody please like, share, follow, comment.
Look at this guy here taking rollers of the rigs. Come on now. Look at that nice little sunset. Shoo.
Let's set the replace that fuel pump line into it. Because I'd hate to have to put this bed back on and then take it right back off.
So where was the bulbs at? Right here, right there, and same for the other side. Okay, sweet. Right there's your exhaust leaks at, I bet.
Yeah. You see this? See how there's a bigger hole in the bottom?
Yeah.
That's not factory. Somebody has cut them out because it's so wonky and there's shavings all on the bottom of it. Somebody's cut that out to be able to get an extension into these bolt holes.
Hey, it works.
It made it easy on this. What's your wheel speed sensor? I think that's what that is. Maybe. That's what I would think. Looks good. Oil's clean. Looks almost brand new. Mint. It's oh, clean as a whistle.
Hey.
Air filter. Got a little bit of stuff in it. It's old, but it's super clean. Think we got a pretty good truck.
I think we do too.
Hopefully, so far. There's missing one thing in the engine bay, and that's it doesn't have air conditioner. The AC lines are cut. It's got good heat though. Really good heat.
Why would they do that?
Weight reduction, man. It's missing one of the posts for the battery tray, and I'm gonna have to rewire the terminals because this one's pretty good. Positive terminal is not good. That is some shoddy wiring.
That's an electrical fire waiting to happen.
Yep, it sure is. There's a couple random connectors that probably should be plugged into something. This is one of them. There's one hanging down
Could that be the AC?
right here. It could be. I'm not too awfully sure.
Did it smell hot when you run it?
No bad smells. Doesn't overheat. It's not leaking any oil. It's leaking a little bit of transmission fluid out of the rear main seal, but that'll be a quick, easy fix. Take a few minutes, but I can be too awful.
Good looking truck we got here.
What? It's got that neon pink windshield washer filled out. That's how you know it's good. When they're running pink. It's got new plug wires and spark plugs in it. It's got a new serpentine belt on it. It's got a new master cylinder. New brake block. It's got new windshield wipers. Windshield is cracked
Hey, that ain't bad.
through here, but it's not spider webbed, so you can still get an inspection sticker on it, and it's not blocking driver's view. It's got a new drive shaft in it, new prop shaft, new master cylinder. I believe that's it for now. No fuses blown, all the inside lights work, interior lights work, door buzzer works, all gauges work, headlights, fog lights, park lights, everything works. I believe we got a pretty good truck. right here.
What even is this? I did too. I was like, it's getting ready to come off there. All right, see guys, we got this right here. You think, oh, that's gonna pop off. And then, I hope that's that right there. I mean, what the heck? What the heck even is that?
That's what that bolt's for. Look, remember I told you that bolt was in there?
What bolt?
This bolt. Now crawl under and look and see. You can see the bolt clear as day.
What, right there?
Yeah. No, this one.
That bolt?
Yeah.
Yeah, they was trying to patch that back together. What the heck?
You just drop one here. Come out. You're looking at 5 foot and everything else.
Hey, this headliner is...
Don't mess with it.
I'm sorry, I thought we was redoing it.
I haven't made up my mind. This truck was made for a snowplow.
So what?
If a snowplow is installed on this vehicle, compensating weight must be added and securely anchored to the extreme rear of the cargo box to prevent overloading the front axle.
I'm a fan of...
And it's got airbags in it. So my truck don't even have.
Little, fabulous little piece of plastic and JB weld that back row back on.
I gotta figure out what we're gonna do about this car dash. That's all.
Somebody's probably like, dang it, and like hit right there.
Or this truck's been wrecked and somebody's head is hit here.
Oh my goodness.
That's why the front of it's like.
All right, hypothetical situation we just come up with. You're feeling really frisky in your 95 Dodge Dakota. I mean, just cruising down the road. And then you see this huge... What am I call it?
I don't know, this truck come from West Virginia, so we're gonna go.
You just got a bunch of illegal substances. You just found out the cops are behind you. Over there is a perfect gravel road. You whip it, you're on the gravel road, you think everything's perfect. And then a tie rod goes out. All of a sudden there's a stump just between the ditch, and the gravel road.
Mm-hmm.
That would work. All right, you try to save it, so you jerk back. No, don't work. And at that point, you're just bracing for impact because you just hit a huge stump as big as this cab. And then you smack the dash trying to grab yourself.
And
Your partner over here.
takes a solid unit to the dashboard and puts a
I never thought about
handprint.
that. That is a perfect handprint.
Puts a perfect handprint in there. No cracks anywhere else except right there. And maybe that's how the guard got messed up.
Okay, yes, that's a good idea too. Okay, and then their knee right here,
Yeah.
they've been thrown forward,
And
so
that's-
their knee has hit that right there.
Yeah, and it's
caught-
broke the top of it. And it's why it's all pushed back.
That's actually a really good theory we come up with.
And I bet when they landed, the top part of the steering column fell off. And it's somewhere.
I bet you too, there was somebody in the back seat, and that's why that bracket broke.
Dodge cup holder still worked. That's all that matters.
Oh my goodness.
You reckon that's when the AC went out too?
They could have been running from the police.
I'm thinking, story time. I'm thinking somebody from Ward, West Virginia, where the truck come from, was running moonshine illegally.
Legally?
Illegally.
Oh, I think it said legally.
Allegedly running moonshine illegally.
Allegedly.
And under the seats back there, there's a perfect spot to hide about. I don't know, you could probably fit 6 quarts in each one.
I don't know, you could also probably fit some good amounts.
I bet you could fit 6 quart mason jars in there, in each one.
I'd say so. You pack them pretty good. Nobody noticed back there.
Yeah, put some newspapers down beside of them, like, or put old Jane Doe back there in the back seat. That way that
To hold it down.
yeah, that way that
About 300 pounds too, and that way that because you got so much moonshine.
Yeah.
You're squatting a little bit.
and there's so much engine up there that you got to have more weight in the back than the front. I see where you're going to.
Oh yeah.
Big Magnum V6 up there. I bet they was doing every bit of 45 mile an hour.
And that right there is why they had that
The hood scoop.
scoop
The hood scoop.
to increase about 50 horsepower.
Yeah, 50. And that's why the Dodge stickers are back there. I bet each one of them Dodge stickers are 5
I'll tell you
horsepower.
what, you can see where there was a monster sticker back there, and I bet money when the cop pulled him over, he took it off to decrease 5 horsepower.
There's a Fox head back there from Fox Racing too.
All right, we're time over.
Yep.
So that gives like both of our faces.
Yeah.
We probably should have been doing the story time.
It's alright. I like the under my chin thing. I really feel like I'm out on fire in Lower West Virginia.
All right, guys, thank you for watching this far. This is the end of the first part of the video. We made a huge dent of progress from looking at the truck, getting us a plan together,
Talking about the truck.
talking
Trying
about
to
the
figure out
truck.
what we was going to do.
and breaking about 5 bolts out of 6.
We done good though.
We did do pretty good. We did do pretty good.
We only went through, what, 2 Sawzall blades?
2 Sawzall blades. You're probably going to go about 5 flappy discs to get that frame looking good.
Don't forget about the 1/4-inch breaker bar.
Oh, yeah, we broke a 1/4-inch breaker bar. I hope I got that video. I bet you I did.
I hope so.
Oh, man.
Oh, that was an adventure.
That was an adventure. But thank you guys for watching. And we will see you guys in the next one.
Peace.